the button pressed down, it will become auto mode. You can see. Now it's auto mode. You can see the button is like press down. It can pump up and do manual mode. This is auto mode. Means it's finish print and continuous print. We will see. It's a continuous print, start print. No need to press the button over there. And we need to be fast operation in front. Otherwise, when this is finished and when this front loader socks is not ready, then it will mess up the production. So it must be ready when the printing roller finish. See, no need to press any button because this is auto mode and the roller find its original place and start to print.